Hi everyone, want to create videos that look like they came out of a studio without actually stepping into one? In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Wan 2.1 to produce professional quality AI videos and just prompts. Let's get started. First, all you need to do is to visit the one video or access it through the file AI and make sure that you're logged in or access for the full features. Then here you can choose the generation mode. You can select the text to video or image to video. For this tutorial, we're going to use text to video. And then here you can write a cinematic prompt. Type a detailed prompt like this. And then you can also mention the camera style, the lighting, the time of the day, and more. And you can also adjust the settings like the resolutions that supports up to 1080p for stunning clarity, the duration, and aspect ratio, and style. You can choose cinematic, anime, or photorealistic. Then after that, hit generate and wait for it Wan 2.1 to process. Within seconds, you'll see a preview of your video, and then click download to save a high quality video. Optionally, you can import the editing tools like CapCut, Canva, or Filmora, and also you can add music, titles or captions, or polish transitions. And here's the pro tip for a studio quality output. You can use a cinematic language, a light natural lighting, and a dramatic depending on your tone. And that's how you create a pro level content with AI magic using Wan 2.1. Try it out today, and if you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.